Hey guys, today we are making this super simple and delicious apple loaf cake. It is soft, fluffy, and it has a 2-ingredient apple glaze. It could not be more delicious. Thanks to the use of applesauce, it is naturally egg-free, so no other egg replacer is needed. Our version, of course, is gluten-free, nut-free, eggless, and it can easily be made vegan with a few tweaks. It is the perfect recipe for all you apple lovers. So come on, let's make it. We're gonna start off by taking our gluten-free flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, baking soda, ground cinnamon, and kosher salt. And then we're just going to mix them all together until combined. Next, we're gonna take light brown sugar, applesauce, I like to use one with no cinnamon, milk, vegetable oil, and pure vanilla extract. And then we're just going to whisk that until the brown sugar is completely melted. Next, we are going to mix the liquid ingredients into the dry a little bit at a time. And then we are going to fill it into our loaf pan that is not greased. Smooth at the top, and then we are going to bake it for about 1 hour. Once it is cool, we are going to take confectioner's sugar and apple juice or apple cider, mix till combined, and that is our apple glaze. It is that simple. Drizzle it over the cool loaf, make sure it's cool, otherwise the glaze will be a runny mess. And I just like to go in all different directions so it looks extra beautiful. It's that simple. I hope you guys love this apple loaf cake as much as we do. Enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.